Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. If you're looking to target your quads, glutes, and core, barbell front squats are the way to go. You might have difficulty with regular squats, but barbell front squats add even more difficulty in every aspect. Help support us with Ataxia by checking out some merchandise. A portion of the proceeds will go to the National Ataxia Foundation. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired Ataxia. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia. Barbell front squats are a great exercise for building strength in the lower body, specifically targeting the quadriceps, glutes, and core. To perform a barbell front squat, start by unracking the barbell and placing it across the front of your shoulders, with your elbows pointing forward. You want the barbell as far up on your shoulders as possible, as if it is trying to choke you. Crisscross your arms and hands to hold the bar towards the middle. You don't want your hands too close or too far apart. Keep your elbows up at all times. I have a tendency to drop my elbows because I am focusing on my balance and coordination. Not a huge deal when it comes to dropping your elbows at this weight, but there will be a multitude of problems when the weight increases, such as the barbell sliding down, so train yourself now to keep those elbows up. Also remember to stand straight and chest tall. This will help maintain a strong and stable position throughout the movement. Next, begin the descent by pushing your hips back and bending your knees. Keep your weight in your heels and maintain a neutral spine throughout. As you come back up, drive through your heels and focus on keeping your chest up. This will ensure you are engaging the right muscles and maximizing the effectiveness of the exercise. I can't stress enough, but aim for the correct technique, stand tall, chest up and out, and feet shoulder width apart. Remember, quality is better than quantity. As you repeat, remember to slowly lower down by bending your knees and hips, making sure to keep your chest up and back straight. Drive through your heels to return to the starting position. Repeat for the desired number of reps, have a spotter if assistance is needed. Most likely, if you have a neurological disorder, you want to approach everything with safety in mind. Remember to breathe throughout the movement, inhaling on the way down and exhaling on the way up. This will help maintain proper form and prevent dizziness. Practice makes perfect, so be sure to start with lighter weights and gradually increase as you perfect your form. As you can see, I'm just using the barbell at first. Trust me, this is plenty heavy for us with Ataxia. The weights added look impressive, but they're there just for looks. They are only 10 pounds each. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to press that like button, share this video, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Thank you for your support.